Today is the tax deadline.
And Crystal Faulkner, our good friend and partner with MCM CPAs, is here with what you need to do if you don't have your tax return complete just yet. And Crystal, today it's as much about time as it is money, and time is money, so what do we do?
Well, if you haven't done it yet today, I would highly advise that you file an extension, and you can do that and buy yourself 6 months more time to actually prepare that return, do it right, do it correct, and you can do so by filing Form 4868. It's automatic extension either online, you can go to the IRS website and do it for free, or you can go the old-fashioned way and file by hard copy, file it by paper. Just make sure it's postmarked by tonight.
Yeah, now this is an extension to file, not to pay.
That's exactly right. It's really important that you file this extension because, one, there is a big filing penalty if you fail to file the extension or file your return today. It could be up to 25% of the tax balance due. So the key here is to go ahead and estimate what it is you owe, pay what you can, and then again, it's going to avoid the penalty of time of filing. Again, if you can pay what you can, that will also minimize your cost. You know, it's really actually a lot cheaper to allow the government to finance your underpayment. They only charge about 3% a year right now, whereas the bank and certainly credit cards can charge a lot more.
I think a lot of people would ask, though, if they don't have the return done, how can they have any idea of what to estimate to pay? You know what I mean?
You've got some forms that you've received in the mail, and the government's gotten those forms too. Don't forget that. They know what you've earned. The key is for most people is the deductions part. And if you hurry up and you try to file and you make a mistake, that's probably going to cause a notice with the IRS. You're probably going to overpay. So it's much better to file an extension, estimate what you think you're going to owe, pay what you can, and then buy yourself some more time so you can do it right.
And if you get enough extensions, you get a refund.
Yes, you can. And here's the other thing. There is a form. It's called Form 9465. It's an installment agreement. And it actually will allow you to ask the IRS, request if they will let you pay your balance due over time. If your balance due is less than $10,000, usually it's an automatic. If it's more, you have to give more information. But the IRS has been fairly lenient and really good to help people go ahead and get this
So if you can't pay a big chunk all at once?
Yes, if you can't pay it all at once, ask them if you can pay it over time. There are user fees that apply. They can range from about $100 to about $225, depending on your financial circumstances and how you want them to get the money out of your account.
All right, good advice. You're up against the wall. Of course, if you have other questions, you can call Crystal and her coworkers at MCM.
Absolutely.